Family and friends of Ada Jesus, wey all of us know, they don come out come bury her o. They don already do her burial, as all of us go see. This person, she die of kidney disease, as all of us know. And all of us know as she dey take fight with wetin they even call am, Pastor Dumeje, and with Edochie that period, before this lady even come die a few days to her birthday. As we see am now, they don already do her burial o. They do her burial, come see as people dey jubilate. I never see where person go die, they go come dey jubilate for the person burial, wey be say the person na small pikin o. Make una watch this video.
So we still dey for the mortuary for Ada Jesus burial. Here we dey na Aladima mortuary for inside Imo State. Ada Jesus na one popular comedian wey die on the 21st of April 2021.
Una don see as these people dey dance, dey shake nyash. I never see reach 23-year-old girl wey die. Now una dey dance like this. If say she come reach 80, wetin una wan do? Una go turn the world upside down. E no good if person still young. Make una come dey dance, dey celebrate, say una dey do celebration of life for the person. This girl too young, and all of us know say she dey even try survive. No be say she won't even die on her own. If no be situation sef, this girl go even still dey alive. Now the person can't die. Una go do this thing quietly. I no know be na the money na in the shack corner. I be waiting the shack corner. Una can't decide. Choose clothes, wear white. I think say na person wey don old. Now they wear white for. This girl will be 23 years old girl. Una wear white. They dance. They do this one. Do party. I never hear am reach o. The way wey Igbos they take celebrate. Why be say now even young people, anybody will die. Una suppose they get range. This our culture. You no even make sense at all. We suppose know say old person, fine, maybe the person don't reach like 80 or be 90. We know say we dey in dey celebrate, him don't live, him don't do something there before he die. No be this one wey be say na sickness if even kill am. No be she won't even die on her own. Say okay, I don't enjoy my life, I don't live life. 23, this girl na still small pikin no. See as in family they jubilate. The thing go dey pain them, but I no even come know. And I no fit do am quietly. This one sef, una no go even waste money. This one wey una do na wasting of money. Una come carry am, una go rent people where they dance, they cry. E no even make sense. If say na do this thing quietly, if it even make sense to me. All this kind unnecessary spending wey na just on top of this Ada Jesus head, e no even make her. You know wetin dey even happy me? At least now her soul go rest in peace. Because since when she dey on earth, it be like say she no dey even get peace for her life. Today wahala, tomorrow another wahala. This one wey she don't die now, she go come rest, or Dumeje go leave am. People will even hold her. She don't even go beg them. She don't beg for forgiveness. So this one now, she die. I sure say probably God will accept her for heaven. Make her soul even rest in peace. Because wahala self what she don't even do for this earth. The kind people self where she self don't even cause. You know just good maybe they talk bad about person who don't die. She self she get her own for, but she don't do her own. But we pray say make her soul rest in peace. So make God accept her for where she did. This kind of matter will happen now. What you on herself see about them. This our culture where we say we they celebrate young people where they die. How on see them? It's supposed to continue, be made a change them. Wetin I dey feel about them? Because me, not too sweet me, but now in a feel they look, I'm saying if person come this life, if they're born you, they will celebrate you. If you die self, they supposed to celebrate you. If they for Bible self, some people they talk and say if you die, they say the God don't touch me, they no cry. But I guess some kind of things, the celebration supposed they small. Do am on a low key. This money when I dey waste. Now if say this person they are alive, the person come meet you say, okay, oh, give me this money, and I no go give am. But as the person die now, una go kill malu, una go rent canopy, una go invite the whole world. Come do party where be say the person even dey, una no go give this person this money. As e be like this, making herself comment. This kind of tradition, make it continue. I be make them stop am. Anything wey una feel, may I write am for the comment section. Make una no forget self to like, share, and also subscribe. I go see una for our next story. Gbese o, Governor Sanwo Olu. You, in fact, I no dey understand all these our leaders. Person go just wake up, bring new idea. He just wake up one morning on Children's Day, talk say now, any pikin wey dey catch wey be cultist, na the mama abi the papa na im go face the consequences o. I never hear since when they say they don dey transfer punishment. Na pikin thief, na mama dey go arrest. Na me send am make him go thief. Some parents sef, this pikin wey dey thief sef, they no even know wetin the pikin dey do. The pikin sef don even dey wayward. Now you come bring law. You come bring law. Now na this im representative na im talk am o. This woman wey dey call Dr. Bafemi Hamzat, na im talk say this new law na to fight cultism and e go include punishment for parents. Parents na dey hear am say make parents hold their pikin well o, because anything now wey pikin do, na mama go face this kind punishment. I come dey surprise. Wetin concern the mama? Una don forget say some children dey wayward. Like matter wey we dey talk now say dem girl no dey sleep for house, she go comot. That kind pikin na wetin we wan make we talk. Some parents dem dey follow these children dey talk. Na dem no just dey hear word, their ear don block. Abunti dey inside their ear, dem no dey hear word again. So this kind pikin now, you go come say pikin na me you wan come arrest. Wetin concern me? I don born her, I dey take care of am. If the pikin no gree hear word say na him wan go join cultism, na him own business na. Why dem no come talk say okay, all the thing wey dey happen for Nigeria, why dem no go arrest Buhari? Shebi na him be our president, na him be our leader na. Abi we go say as Sanwo Olu dey, as him no dey work for Lagos, make we sef go arrest am. We no put blame on top of anybody body na. If we face you sef still una no dey do anything, we flog una. No, why be say this kind matter na you come dey look and say make we come dey punish parents? Since when parent own self concern, some children they dey wayward. No matter how you go train this pikin reach, no matter, in fact, carry them go army school say I wan make this pikin hear what, the pikin go still come outside do wetin dey in mind. Some pikin just dey stubborn. Abi na evil spirit, abi na wetin dey worry, I no even know. Some pikin be like this. So this kind new law, I no know who we bring am for, because I know even your own pikin now, if your pikin do something, na that means na you we go arrest. Your pikin sef we no even kuku, even good. If your pikin do something, make we sef come arrest your pikin. Na so the law go be now. But this law no even make sense. We go just wake up, think of mumu thing. Say we wan bring law. You sleep, wake up, Children's Day, where you go celebrate with children, come bring new gifts for them. Say, if they do anything, you wan arrest them. You dey talk am for their grand, say you wan arrest them. Wetin you wan arrest them for? If the pikin offend, maybe una go wait till if the pikin reach 18 years, make una go arrest this pikin. Because me, I no see where me as mama now, my pikin go do something. Wetin dey catch? Wetin concern me? I send am message. I no send am. As this matter be like this now, wetin una sef feel? Make dem dey catch the pikin, abi make dem dey catch the mama? How una see am? Because me, na pikin o, I no send you make you go see. If you go do something, maybe say I don dey warn you, you still come go join, they come carry you. Na your problem. You wey say you wan go join cultism, e mean say you don already make up your mind, because to be cultist no be easy something. You don already make up your mind say na wetin you wan do, and dem no dey transfer punishment. So make everybody face in punishment. If na mama, wait. If the person papa and mama no come even dey nko, who una wan arrest? Na im family member. Because this kind of some people now, they no get mama, they no get papa. Who una wan go catch? Who na im mama abi na im auntie abi who? Una go just bring law, mumu law. Una wey be leaders na dey do things, they no dey punish una. Una now wan come carry new as na don see say nothing dey wey na go do again, no new law. Na confuse say na this one I wan do. As this matter be like this, so make una comment. In fact, plenty things no even too dey to talk, because this kind law na mumu thing. Abeg, I go see na for the next story jare. Make una no forget to like o. 100 Ekiti students don land for hospital o. Wetin do them? They inhale toxic gas. I no know as this gas dey enter school. When because school sef, they no go do planning well. They go just decide anything wey they like, na they do by themselves. This thing now, they say that they fumigate school due to all of us know say COVID-19 now. They say they no wan make virus and everything catch student for school. This one na Ekiti college student o, and they say okay, they wan fumigate school. But as na they fumigate school, una no even take the necessary procedures. Una just they say student dey inside, they write exam. They fumigate school compound. I never even hear am reach for my life. Now make me talk say Nigerians say we know they too get sense like that. Make I just put am that way. Why people go there, they write something and I go dey fumigate. I na expect me they breathe. They say now these people where they land for hospital, these 100 students, some of them na asthmatic patients. And we know say when it comes to asthmatic patients, their breathing go dey very difficult. But na wetin don cause this whole palava. While some people self na just normal breathing issue. Maybe this whole thing, maybe the chemical wey they spray, the gas abi the smell of the thing na im don affect this student. They talk say all of them now they dey hospital and they give them the medical things wey they need, anything wey they need, because some e dey very critical wey be say they don't even transfer them comot from that school hospital. They don carry them go other places because their own dey very serious. And this chemical wey they even inhale now, wetin I wan ask now, people wey come do this, they no notify the school. Because they talk say they give this school now demo say they come do this COVID-19 spray or whatever way they want do. So how come if say na students now you give student assignment, the student no do am, the student come forget, they go don beat that pikin life comot. But this one now they still give na demo, now una come forget, una no see am as na do mistake na no see am like that, na no even reason am like that. Na come leave innocent children wey be say their mama dey for house. Keep them inside, and as they fumigate that thing, why not tell them say make they cancel this paper, make they go their house. Now where we say people don't dey for hospital, now one come they do na mistake. But we hear say almost half of the people they don't release them. Say they don't dey okay, they don't release them from the hospital, they don't dey fine, and they don't talk say these people now, this what they call them federal fire service personnel, wey go spray. Say they don't dey for police custody or for questioning, because it be like say the thing wey they can't even spray, it be like say no be even anything where they relate to COVID-19. Because I no see why this thing now don't dey affect students. Wey be say students don't dey die, so they don't carry them go for questioning. Now wetin the Commissioner of Health and Human Service talk so make we dey calm, make parents dey settled. Say this thing they go find their way about them. They no go just let people, children die just like that. Then anything as children self they go school, some people self they happy self say they no even go school. I think say COVID-19 dey. I think say we dey do social distancing. How come people can't stay even there? And if they won't even fumigate, make una tell people make they go their house. You do it on a weekend. Do am for weekend when people dey their house. No be time wey be say school dey in session na come decide say na today. Me my mind dey tell me say be like say they won't even kill all those students for that school, because I don't know their motive. Wey be say now when people dey write exam, na that time when I come know say na wan come fumigate school. As I dey here, now here I go end this story. Anything wey na think say this government people abi this Ekiti student people they do, make na comment. E be like say they try ambush, they won't even kill them these students. Make na comment. Then make na no forget to like share and subscribe to this channel as we get new story for now. I go see you now for our next story. Pekele, this kind pastor's wife una dey shock people. You get one pastor wife, him and him fellow member female, they fight. Hey, I never see rich wey be say pastor wife and him member go dey fight. Now wait, now the pastor John Thomas na dey fight about, I be waiting happen, because as this matter be like this, we no even understand. Make una watch this video.
Inside church, you fighting inside church. Inside church, abomination happening. Inside church, fighting. They are fighting inside church.
And I don't see as this pastor they use beard and slippers or be something they take hit the other woman. What will even cause this kind of fight for this kind of matter? Because I be money don't loss for the church. I be pastor wife don't chop person money. I know they understand though. All this kind of pastor wife say, see in the name mama. Or now we say I don't tie gele, and I go come start for altar. People go they look and I say, I be pastor wife, make we imitate. Now come dey inside church, they fight. The person where they record this video, now it bust my mind. Ain't no separate. In come they say this one na abomination. You will be man, we go enter fight. Go they separate, you know go separate. Come they there, they record. In fact, if I talk say men no good, I go talk say I dey lie. See how this guy just dey. Comot himself. Where the pastor self dey for this church? This church resemble Assemblies of God, because now na the dress na altar resemble this kind of altar. How na the third one? Una no dey even fear God again. If like say this pastor in thing, now because wetin wan cause fight inside church? na money abi na wetin wan cause this kind fight, this kind matter? Me, I no even understand though. The thing too dey funny to me. See the other woman come use slippers, e see say no fit beat the mommy Gio, come carry slippers dey beat. You no go fit beat your pastor wife na im make am dey beat the other woman. Abi she don go get belle for pastor? Because the kind things wey dey happen for church now, we suppose know. This one wey be say fight, see as altar don scatter na. Wetin dey happen? Which kind fight be this? Na money loss? I no know wetin I wan talk but as una see this matter sef, wetin una think say cause this kind fight? Wetin fit even cause this kind fight? Na here I go leave una. I go see una for our next story. Make una no forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. One Indian woman dey fight for her life as some men don rape, beat her. They first rape her first, come beat her before they come go even hang her for one pole. Men dey evil. Wetin this woman do? Nothing. They say this woman go wedding. For the wedding, na there she come go inside toilet. I no know where na shit she go shit abi na piss na she go piss and then this guy, e be like say they don dey monitor her. As she come outside, na they go ambush her, carry her, go enter inside one corner, inside one corner. Na there they come carry her and go talk say they wan rape her, and if she no gree, they go kill am. And they even thief all her jewelries. Some men wicked how una go do this kind thing for this woman? Person wey no do una anything, una just dey mean her, dey plan her, say una wan kill her. Now as they rape her finish, when they don beat her finish, they come think say she don die. They come go tie this woman on top of electric pole. We sabi do wicked things. So as the tie am keep there na there people come see her, come look say this person need help this person wey come this wedding. See as they don do her, keep her for here naked. They don't comot everything wey dey her body. Na there they come rush her go one hospital wey dey for one town. From there, be like say they no see anything do to her. They come carry her go another hospital again. Na there they come start to dey give this woman treatment. As e be like this woman no dey talk. In fact, she just dey unconscious. She never die but she still dey alive. How come some people go just dey think of bad things to do? Especially all these Indian men. All of us know say Indian men say for film, we know say they no dey kiss. They no dey even touch women. How come real life una sabi rape person like this? And people wey rape this person no be one 7 people. 1, 2, una wan kill the person? And una know say for India they get law with their marriage. Maybe this girl now they don rape am, to even see husband sef go hard for her to marry. Because we know say all of them are woman they marry. So e be like say you suppose even be virgin self before you go even see husband marry. This one now, they just spoil this girl life as it be like this. But we hear say these 7 men, they don't arrest them. And then these men now them come say they want come set tent for the wedding. You see as woman being wicked, they employ you say come work for this place. And I don't see one kind fine girl when at the target. I bet they don't they told this girl since the girl no answer. But look, Indian people now, they go wear hijab, wear this one. How come they still go rape this person? And all of us have know say Indian men, it be like say their head no they correct. For Facebook, all of us know. Before you go see one Indian man, don't send you friend request, send you a naked picture. It be like say that, I don't know. I be woman no dey for India. Why be say they always behave like this? They always behave like say something they worry them. Me, it be like say these people are Baba Ejesha descendants because it be like say they're family, but this one's just come from India. And we dey hear say every 15 minutes, 9 person they call say rape they happen. What thing on our police they do? It be like say Nigeria police even better. Nigeria, in fact, now they try. Well done. Because if Indian police, every 15 minutes, they call on her, say, rape, they happen. And I know they see anything do about them. Then I suppose here Nigeria, na. In fact, Nigeria better. He better pass India. All of them, when I go, they want to say, I they travel, go abroad. Oh, yeah, if you go, they will just go rape you, bring you, come back. See, Nigeria, self even sweet, at least. See, as people, they fight about this rape case now for Nigeria. India, they never even they see anything do about this thing. This woman now, they never even talk her name, but we know say she never die. Make all of us, they pray, say, may God restrain her, make she dey alive, make nothing do her. Because this kind of thing now, she they go through psychological problems. Things they go through her mind because not be only one man follow her sleep about 7 men. Me, I don't already talk my advice. These men, may they punish them. I don't know if they go kill them, but I no sure say they supposed to kill them. May they just cut them. So that if they cut them, come out. Not how they want to rape person. And it go be example to other men where they rape people. If they don't cut them, they go say, okay, they don't do anything with woman now. They go sit down for their house. in peace. Marry sef, they no go marry because no woman sef go wan marry you. Now here I go end my tori o. Make una no forget to like, share and subscribe o. I go see una for our next story. Zamfara state government official wey dem dey call am Shinkafi don assault one driver o. If you see as this man beat this driver because of matter wey be say no even serious o. The man just beat the driver because of wetin say the man make one comment about their governor for Facebook. So person no get right now to talk about wetin dey im mind. The guy no even to talk anything serious o. He just talk im mind o in peace. Na him dey come go meet am for road beat am. Make una watch this video.
Sai ka shiga in ba wani turo ka dan uban kafin baro abu ni na ba ko buro na cewa ba hakin account buro buro na da buro dan uban shiga mota dan shiga mota buro uban dan shiga buro ba ka shiga mota dan shiga dan uban na shiga uban ka mata ne uban ka tsaya ka ji na yi reporting daga office an yi hacking account ina wani shage social an yi hacking account ba uban wa hacking uban wa dan uban wa kaga ba ina ya bi da PDP dan buro ba dan iska zace uban ka kai kowa mu abu buro uban
and I don see as this man beat this person on top of wetin make I even tell you na wetin the guy talk. The guy talk say him dey disappointed in PDP. Say PDP, they expect more from PDP. Say PDP talk say they go do better things for their town. But say they no do anything. Now wetin this guy write oh, him come write sef say before him come up for Zamfara, they don promise them say progress go dey, things go dey in unity. Say but as him come, nothing dey. Nothing don change as the place be. Na so the place be. Nothing dey even change for there. Say they wan build one Gaswa hotel in 3 months. 3 months don pass. Nothing don happen. Ruga sef say him go build am in 1 year. 1 year don pass. Nothing don happen. They promise them cargo airport. Nothing don happen. Now the guy write in pain o. Say he no like. I say na like this PDP won't even take win. Say na wetin just talk o. This kind small matter. Now the man go meet am. Beat am. On top of wetin? Because him be ordinary citizen. If say na your fellow politician talk this one now, you go say you wan go beat am. You no go fit do anything now. You sef go just respond for this chat. But this one, I ain't gonna go. Now even for night. You sure say people no even dey themselves, they record sef. Maybe for them even just kill this man. Now there this kind fight can start oh. On top of matter we never even get sense. So person no fit even talk in mind. As he say as PDP now no they do well. So I no go fit talk my mind again. To talk your mind now don't turn the problem for Nigeria. Oh. Make we dey careful. More know what to do. This one why they even talk sef. Make I dey even look. Maybe somebody said they wait for me outside, won't come carry me. Oh. I suppose they careful. Oh. But as it be like this now, me I feel say person suppose get in reason to state in mind. Make them know they do and like say everybody gets their rights to talk their mind. And this one said I no even come face you. I write them for Facebook. I get right to write my own opinion. Whoever they my Facebook list, if they see waiting they write, maybe they see and say, okay, I want support you, then they support me. If they feel say this one I write, you no good, they go leave me. Which one can be your own? This Mr. Shinkafi, I mean a Shinkafa, you can't decide say, now me you won't come face. Now only me they write things about other people. People who don't write things about Buhari, why you no go meet them, go fight them? It be like say this man, you know say no get power. Now make you go meet and say you won't come fight them. Then government self, making I know they treat people like animal. This man now, if say na one kind big person, he show me die, you know if you even near this person. Now because na ordinary driver, now make you get that mind, say you won't go meet and go they fight them. And people get freedom of speech. It be like that in day. Anybody fit talk waiting as I day and night. Now make me they talk waiting in my mind. So make I know the reason I'm saying I want talk something. I dey fear government go do me this one. Talk your mind, free your mind. Something where they pay you. Now make people they protest. If they see say something no good, they come outside they talk them. Make na no come they use now say na be government. Make people they fear. We know they fear ona. We go talk them as we see them. Now here I go drop this matter for una. Anything wey na think, making ourselves comment about them, and making not forget to like share and also subscribe to this channel as we get better story for now. I go to see you now for our next story.